Hi, my name is Rob Maxim, and I'm the Vice President of Sales of SubZero Wolf Southeast. I'm talking to you today from probably one of the finest showrooms I've seen in my 18-year history with SubZero here at Guy Gunter Associates in Atlanta, Georgia. I've seen a lot of showrooms come and go, and this one is probably one of the finest. When I first met Guy Gunter and his son Theron back in 2000, they were in a small, little, old showroom in the historic section of Atlanta on 14th Street. And today, they've moved just outside the old historic section into probably one of the finest facilities I've ever seen.
Thank you.
Our two companies share a really rare relationship. You have SubZero Wolf, who was founded in 1945 by Westy Bakke, who is now run by his grandson, Jim Bakke, in 2012. You have Guy Gunter Associates, who was founded by Guy Gunter in the 40s, and now is run by his grandson, Theron, in 2012. We believe we're the home team. It's really rare in this day and age when people have shifted jobs and facilities and everything overseas, and yet you still have the home team still here, still thriving, still doing really well. When I first met Guy Gunter and Theron, they were in a small little office on the 14th Street down in Atlanta. And today I'm very proud to talk to you from a space that really is probably one of the best in the Southeast. Today we all shop online. It's just a way of life. It's a great way to find products and blogs and research and do that. But it doesn't substitute for the experience of actually coming into a showroom where the products are showcased the way you're going to see them in your home. At Guy Gunter Associates, they have taken every detail in the highest end for a luxury buyer to show the products how they're displayed. You can talk to their experts here that have multiple years, decades of experience in all types of appliances. The luxury appliances here are the finest salespeople that we have in the Atlanta area. Coming into Guy Gunter's showroom here in Atlanta, Georgia, you'll find all your questions will be answered. You'll see the products the way you want to see them, and you'll see a selection and the amount of products that you won't see in most places. Shopping online is a necessity today. I do it, all Americans do it. You go on, you research, you look for products, you see different pictures, but in the end, it's still not a replacement for the experience that we want to be able to share with you. We partnered up with Guy Gunter and Associates so that you will have an incredibly positive experience, not just online, but when you come into the showroom to actually select your products, you'll see them in the light and the detail that you would in a home. They have the top experts when it comes to sales, install, delivery. Any questions you may have during this whole process will be answered by Theron, Guy Gunter, and his staff here. Online shopping is a necessity for today's consumer. I do it, every American does it, to get ideas, to look at for blogs, to get opinions, to find where to shop, to where to buy. At Guy Gunter Associates, the reason we partner with them is when you walk into the showroom, there won't be any questions that they can't handle. You have live equipment where you can actually test drive it, you can taste, you can smell the foods, how they're actually prepared with a SubZero Wolf product, to vignette areas where you can actually see how it's going to look inside the kitchen with details of countertops and cabinetry and those type of environments. We want to be able to provide the best positive experience for you, the shopper. By coming to Guy Gunter and Associates here in Atlanta, Georgia, you'll get that experience. We at the SubZero Wolf family would love to see your family here at Guy T. Gunter and Associates. So come on in, get the products that you deserve, that you've always wanted, and live that lifestyle. We at SubZero and Wolf would love to have you come by and visit the showroom. We are proud to be partnered with a company such as Guy T. Gunter. And we know that if you come into this showroom and you experience their salespeople in their showroom, that you'll find the products that you desire.
That's it.
We at SubZero and Wolf are proud to be partners with Guy T. Gunter and Associates.
Okay, hey, I'm Rob Zelch with SubZero and Wolf Appliance Company. And I'm blessed to be here at Guy T. Gunter Appliance Company. We have been partners with Guy T. Gunter since we entered the marketplace about 11 years ago with our brands. It's been a great relationship dealing with an independent that values professionalism, caters to customers' needs, wants, desires. We're actually standing in their showroom, which Theron has put a lot of time, or the Gunter organization has put a lot of time in, to give a customer a unique experience that they don't really get going to a big box store. When you look at somebody with this kind of experience, when you look at salesmanship, when you look at installation, when you look at every aspect that a professional independent company brings to the table, it adds a lot of value to our brands. Our brands They are unique, they're design friendly, but requires a lot of detail in going through the process of planning the process with the appliances and utilizing those appliances in a home. A lot of the customers that this facility caters to, they want an experience much like a test drive of a fine car or a unique vacation. They want to experience a unique appliance because they're going to be using these products every day to nourish their family, to entertain their friends, to sit down with their family. So the professional having over 50 years in the marketplace, dealing with a sales organization that has salesmanship of over 100 years in it, and then when you just talk about their installation, their delivery, and all the aspects that really help solidify that the purchase made at Guy T. Gunter was the best buying experience a customer could have, is really why we enjoy doing business with this company. They cater to a different experience level than obviously a Home Depot or a big box store does, and that's what sets them apart. When you walk into this facility, the minute you walk into this facility, you are really engaged into a design process, but also an appliance process that is just unique to Guy T. Gunter. The Guy T. Gunter experience is one of a kind and unique to this marketplace. That's why I'd recommend anybody who is looking to make an investment in their lives, in their family, in their home, in a 20-year experience with that home and their family, shop at Guy T. Gunter to have the best customer experience. SubZero Wolf Appliances and Guy T. Gunter share the same values together. It's about a customer experience, it's about tremendous value to the customer and creating an experience unlike anything that's ever been out there in the industry. That's why SubZero Wolf has chosen to partner with companies like Guy T. Gunter and Associates in the Atlanta marketplace because of that level and commitment to that experience within the appliance selection.